Every headphone manufacturing company wants to take the lead in the audio market by ensuring the best ANC and sound quality. Google and Samsung are actually one of them. They're fighting each other toe-to-toe to take the top position. Both companies make some of the best earbuds for Android users, and Samsung with its Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and Google with its Pixel Buds Pro aim to give the users a non-Apple option. However, both of these companies claim their earbuds are the best, but which one should you actually pick? Let's find out by comparing them. First things first, design-wise, we couldn't find much difference by looking at them side by side. The Buds 2 Pro weighs a little less than the Pixel Buds Pro due to its slightly tweaked design. That not only made the Buds 2 Pro lightweight, but also slimmer. The idea is here to provide a more comfortable fit while wearing them for long periods of time. By contrast, the Pixel Buds Pro is also lightweight and fine for comfort, but the buds are literally halfway out from the ears, which looks pretty annoying. It's kinda like putting a small cylinder into your ear. The interesting thing is, this shape helps the buds to stay in place. Anyway, the Buds 2 Pro has an IPX7 waterproof rating, whereas the Pixel Buds Pro has IPX4. At least something is better than having nothing. About the charging case, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro's case is a rounded square while the Pixel Buds Pro sports an egg-shaped case. Both cases come with an LED indicator on the front to let you know when they're charging. Furthermore, both cases have USB-C ports to provide faster charging. So, how do they sound? Not gonna lie, both Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and Pixel Buds Pro are quite good, but the Buds 2 Pro has a loud and bass-boosted sound right out of the box, all thanks to its two-way speakers. Samsung also offers the Choose Comfort Equalizer presets from the Galaxy Wearable app. However, without the EQ setting, the Pixel Buds Pro also sounds great with its custom-designed 11mm dynamic speaker driver. The good news is, Google says the EQ feature will be available by providing a future update. For seamless audio codec, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro allows you to listen to your favorite music with 24-bit audio. But that will only work in certain apps. For example, if you listen to music through YouTube or Spotify, you will not get the benefit from it. It's kinda sad to see famous music streaming services like Spotify does not support this. So for this type of streaming service, the Buds 2 Pro comes with AAC and SBC codecs. You'll also find these two codecs in Pixel Buds Pro. Now here comes the most important thing about these earbuds, the ANC system. For Pixel Buds, ANC is totally new. Google used a passive noise reduction in the previous earbuds, but with the Pixel Buds Pro, they introduced active noise cancellation. Anyway, Samsung's ANC does a better job than Google's. In a mid-range sound, the Pixel Buds Pro struggles to block them out. But the transparency mode is more natural compared to Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Buds 2 Pro also offers 360-degree audio effects when you connect it to a Samsung smartphone. Nevertheless, the Pixel Buds Pro is equipped with Bluetooth multipoint, which can allow you to connect two devices simultaneously, which is a feature you won't get in the Buds 2 Pro, but there is something similar that allows the buds to swap seamlessly between devices. Regarding the battery life, the Pixel Buds Pro can allow you to listen to your favorite music for up to 7 hours even while ANC is on, and up to 20 hours with the charging case. On the other hand, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro provides 2 hours less compared to the Pixel Buds Pro. In terms of price, they are both close to each other. The Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is available at $230 and the Pixel Buds Pro costs $200. Here the thing is, by paying $30 extra, you'll get some additional features from the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, so we think, great deal. Our final thought is, in almost all scenarios, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro beats the Pixel Buds Pro. It sounds great, ANC is even better, and even comfortable to wear for longer periods of time. However, Pixel Buds Pro is also a great deal for those who want to spend less. Anyway, if you want to choose from these two earbuds, we would highly suggest the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So what do you think? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section down below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.